Yeah, obviously rain stop play at the moment, but as you can see, normal procedure, we're up to wall plate, cavities are closed, keep the rain off the insulation, gives us a chance just to give us a bit of a tidy up here to make sure that everything's all ready for the next stage. Once the trusses go on, obviously the bricklayers still got a little bit of work to do, but obviously it's pouring with rain, so rightly so. So it just gives us a chance just to carry on with what we need to do. We've got to do the cavity closures here, all the insulation's in, so hopefully a little bit of tidying up down there, but as you can see, everything is as it should be.